Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to understand what is deployment order. Deployment order is a way of specifying how you want your deployments to go through, processed, which one to be processed first and then which one to be processed next. Likewise, if you want to have requirements that one bar file, one application should start before another application, this is how you can get it done. Now we have three var files here, first, second, and third var file. The first var file needs to be starting first to deploy, and then second var file should start after the first one, and third should start after the second one. So what we give is we give a deployment order of 10, 20, and 30 for each of this var file. Now what this means is that this is a ranking system. So the one which is close to the rank number 1 will execute first. So you can see the first var file is getting deployed here, and then second var file over here, and third var file over here. So that the deployment goes through a specific order in which it is going to establish, getting deployed based on the order is called the deployment order. Now, I'll also show you how to check the deployment order number and how to change the deployment order number when we do the deployment. Now here, when it says started, it means that all three deployments are deployed successfully. Then it goes to the state called started. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about this on this video. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you on the next one.